Have you ever felt like someone was threatening your safety, whether it's a former partner, an acquaintance, or even a neighbor? Maybe you've even thought about or had someone suggest getting a restraining order, but didn't know where to start. Well, you're not alone. And today we're diving into the different types of restraining orders that can help protect you. But first, let's take a real-life example. I'm Andre Bollinger with Rios Bollinger Law here in San Diego, and today we're going to break down the different types of restraining orders available to you under California law. Whether you're facing domestic violence or harassment or some other safety concern, a restraining order can give you peace of mind and legal protection. Before diving in, please like and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. I had a client whose two young children loved to ride bikes out in front of her house, and they would set up jumps on the sidewalk that would be in front of their house as well as their neighbor's house. And the neighbor started getting really upset. That neighbor would come out and scream and yell and curse. It was really scary for the kids, and my client was incredibly upset that her neighbor would do this to her children. When she called me, I advised her to videotape what was going on. And when she was able to videotape the aggressive nature of her neighbor screaming at these two young kids who were just riding their bikes on the sidewalk, she was able to take that video to court, and we were able to help her get a restraining order. Restraining orders aren't always for a violent situation. It can be just to prevent violence and can be over a neighborhood dispute. Now that you've heard a real-life example, let's discuss the types of restraining orders available to you under California law. Domestic Violence Restraining Orders, or DVROs. This type of restraining order is used to protect individuals who have been in domestic violence situations, either with a current partner or former partner, or even relatives. Whether you're experiencing any kind of abuse, whether physical, emotional, or financial, you may be eligible for this type of order. A DVRO can include provisions for child custody, visitation, and even support. Civil harassment restraining orders. If you're being harassed by someone you don't have a close relationship to, like a coworker, a neighbor, or an acquaintance, a civil harassment restraining order may be the right move. This order protects you from stalking, threats, and other types of harassment. It can include orders to stop all contact and stay away from you, your home, your workplace, and other locations. Workplace violence restraining orders are situations where you feel unsafe at work because of threats or violent actions from a coworker or employer. A workplace violence restraining order may be right for you. This is particularly helpful for ensuring your safety in a professional setting. Elder or dependent adult abuse restraining orders. If you're an elder or dependent adult being neglected or abused, you can seek a restraining order specifically designed to protect you. This could include physical abuse, financial exploitation, or neglect by a caregiver or family member. Temporary restraining orders, or TROs. Sometimes situations escalate quickly and you need immediate protection. A temporary restraining order provides short-term relief until a more permanent order can be granted. TROs are typically in place for about 21 days, but can be extended depending on the case. Firearm violence restraining orders. In cases where there's a significant risk of gun violence, a firearms violence restraining order can prevent someone from owning or possessing firearms. This type of order can be especially important in domestic violence and workplace violence situations. As you can see, different types of restraining orders offer different types of protections depending on the situation. It's important to understand which fits your situation and ensure that you're taking the proper legal steps. If you're in need of a restraining order or have any legal questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Rios Bollinger Law. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone you think might need it. Stay safe, and remember, you don't have to face this alone.